Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Sagar and I am starting a video series on Drupal. There was a time when I used to organize free Drupal workshops in various colleges. Of course, I'm not doing those workshops these days, but I am creating these videos to help you online. So, in case you are interested in learning Drupal, in case you're wondering whether Drupal is something that you can also use in your career, then you can watch these video series. So, just to give you a very short and quick idea, Drupal is nothing but CMS, and it is also a framework. You can use Drupal to build simple websites. You can use it to build a blog. You can use it to build a knowledge base. And there are different type of companies who use Drupal, and there are various applications of this great CMS called Drupal, of course. And Drupal is really good for holding your content. It is, of course, meant for big websites or maybe a portal where you have a lot of content to manage, but you can also use Drupal to just create a simple blog. So my idea with these video series, these videos that I will be creating, is just to help you guys to understand and to learn Drupal, and I will be taking some examples. So in the next few videos, I will be showing you how to get started with Drupal, how to get your environment, and how to, of course, quickly build a simple blog that you can actually use maybe for yourself. And then we will also learn some other concepts of Drupal that will help you to build something more complex. So, if you are interested in learning Drupal, maybe you are a student or maybe you are already working, you are probably using some other web technology, and maybe if you are keen to learn something new, then you can watch these video series. Drupal is definitely, in my opinion, a very great choice for building a website. Not only you get a CMS out of the box, you can install Drupal on your laptop, and very quickly you can see that how good it is. You have a lot of features to play around, but you have the option to also scale it further into something really huge. You can actually put a lot of content on Drupal, and there are various websites where you can see that are actually built on Drupal, where you have a lot of content. In fact, a lot of government organizations, they use Drupal. A lot of media publication houses, they use Drupal, and there are endless possibilities that you can do with Drupal CMS. People use Drupal also as a backend where they store the data, and they have, of course, a mobile app or maybe their own front end using some JavaScript framework like React or maybe Angular. So I hope you find these video series interesting, and do let me know if you have any questions. If you think these videos are helpful, please give me your suggestions and your feedback. I will definitely read them, and I hope you enjoy these series. Thank you very much.